Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about some DIY. This is something that I've made at home and I've been using for time and again, and it works wonderfully for my skin. So this has got nothing to do with chemicals. This has got totally homemade thing and pretty simple, pretty easy. Do try it at home and let me know if it worked for you. This could be used for any skin type. I mean, of course, depending on your skin, you can add or reduce the amount of stuff or the ingredients that I have taken. So without rambling on too much, let's just get started. All right, so to begin with, we would need a clean container which is properly washed, thoroughly washed, and of course dried up. Next, we would need some aloe vera gel. I, of course, have taken Patanjali gel, aloe vera gel. You could take any one of your choice. We also need a good moisturizer. I have taken Vaseline. You could take anything of your choice. Not a very heavy moisturizer, but just a lighter one. A body lotion also should be okay. So I have taken, say, 3 to 4 pumps in the clean container. And I am going to add 1 full tablespoon of aloe vera gel. I think that should be enough. And now we would need some compact powder. You could use anything of your choice. I just had this ADS, so this is the one I'm using. This will give you that powdery, that color, that tint of the concealer that you would like. So I'm going to scrape this powder with the help of a toothpick and add as much as I want. You can also add and decrease or reduce the quantity as per your like, or as per your color requirement, or as per your skin tone. And now I'm going to mix the ingredients thoroughly till everything is mixed well and it becomes a really smooth paste. No granules left, no tiny particles left. Mix it thoroughly. See, it's coming out beautiful. The color, of course, is definitely what I wanted, but I guess the texture is a little thin, a little more liquid. So I think I should add a little more of compact. Let me just check this first. Check out the color, it's beautiful. It should do the work that I'm looking for. It's so light. Let me add a little more. So this compact, I do not use it anyways. I'm going to make the most of it by making something else for me that would work. So here I've added a little more to the mixture, and now I think it's becoming a little thicker. Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. So I have mixed it thoroughly, and now with my finger I'm going to try giving you a swatch. Beautiful. This is awesome. So if you're really running out of concealers or foundations, this is something really quick, really easy, and of course That comes so very handy.
That's an oil. You can
See,
see it like this.
you can see the difference.
Beautiful.
It's giving a beautiful coverage. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.